Okay, this video, I'm doing this video because I realized that a lot of people don't know how to use a digital timer. They know how to use a timer, the analog timers, but as soon as they have to use one of these, they run into problems. And honestly, this is the easiest thing in the world. So the timer I'm using right here is by Titan Controls. I use these in all my grow rooms, and they're awesome. I mean, I don't think I've been using them for years. They're very reliable. So, um, hopefully, this could help whoever needs to learn how to use this thing. Now, this is very similar to a watch. So this is how we're gonna do. First, we're gonna set up the time. All right. So the time right now is correct. It's actually set into time right now. It's 1:45 right now, but just to show you guys how to put the time, which is the first thing we're gonna do, and the date. Let's set it up. We're gonna hit right here where it says clock. We're gonna hold it, and then we're gonna go to hour, and we're gonna click it until it's the time that we want, which is gonna be 1:46. We're going to keep going, 1, and then we're gonna go where it says minute, and then we're gonna do it, just hold it, and it should go all the way down to 46. Boom. It's Tuesday today, so as you see, it's right there, but I'm gonna show you guys how to put it to the day that it is. Let's say today is Wednesday. All you gotta do is hold clock right here and then hit the week. And as you can see, you can go through the days. It's Tuesday today, so let's go back to Tuesday. Boom, Tuesday. Okay, so now that we have the time, now we're gonna program this to turn on and off at the times desired, right? So right now I'm putting a room to flower, right? And I want the lights. I want my first program to turn on the lights at 3 a.m. Right? So we're gonna go right here, program, boom. Let's delete the programs that I already had in there, and let's go back. Anytime you want to go back to the clock and you want to reset everything, you just go back to clock. Boom. You could be anywhere. Boom. You go clock and you go right back to step 1. Boom. So now, back to programming it. We want to program it to turn on at 3 a.m., right? No, we want to program it to turn on at 3 p.m. So we're going to go to program right here. Boom. Program right here, right next to clock. Program. As you can see, it says 1. This is the first program. This gives you up to 8 programs. So this thing is awesome because you could program 8 different programs on here. And people use these for like lights sometimes, and the one that lights to turn on at certain times and this and that throughout the day. So let's go back to program 1. Again, we're gonna go back to clock, then you hit program, boom, and it says the first program. So now we're gonna set it up to turn on at 3 p.m., right? So you're gonna go to hour. I'm gonna go all the way down to 3 p.m. Boom. As you can see right here, PM on 3 p.m. Then we're gonna go to program. Now we want to, the first program, now we want it to turn off I want the lights to turn off at 2:45 a.m., right? So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna put 2. It's already programmed at that because that's why I wanted to have it initially, so I'm just going right back at it. So you keep putting it in here, 2:45, then you go to minutes, hold it down. Super easy, boom, 2:45. Then if you want to do a second program, then you could go to second program. We don't need a second program. I just want them to turn on. I just want the lights to turn on at 3 p.m. and for them to shut off at 2:45 a.m., right? So remember what I said, if you ever wanted to go back, you just go to clock, boom, So now let's recheck the program that I set it up to. I hit program, boom, on, right there, 3 p.m. This is gonna throw power to whatever's connected right here, and right here, it's gonna give a power at 3 p.m. Then if you hit program again, boom, off. We have this thing shutting off power to these outlets at 2:45 a.m. We didn't put any other programs, so these ones are empty. If you ever want to delete a program, you go here, boom. You just go right here, where's the R, that deletes it. Program 2 deletes it. Back to clock. Let's program it again. Remember, boom, the first program, hour, 3 p.m. It's right there. I want to turn off at 2:45 a.m. 2:45 a.m. It's just pretty much auto-populated what I had before. But again, if you wanted to change it, you just go to hour, you go to minutes, and you go there. Another important thing to take a look at is you want this to, depends how many days of the week you want this to do this. So you go to week, you go to program, you're already here. You see how you go week right here? You could just go to week, and then you could have this only happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We want to do it every day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So make sure that you have, if you want this to do, you want this timer to do this program every day, you make sure you have it up here, okay? Or whatever days did you choose you need this to work, you make sure you put it up there, and you use week, right here, week. So let's go back to, well, we don't need that. Let's go back to clock. So program 1, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Boom. So everything's set up. Boom. Now, once you already have the program set up, and you got the right time, the right day, everything, then you want to make sure the function. Let's say, for example, right now, my lights are turned on right now, right? So I want to make sure this is on right here. On, boom. I want to plug this against the wall, and then if I want this to be on right now, I'm gonna have it on. And then after I have it on, then I'm gonna re-click it and go to auto. If I want it to be off, then I will have it at off. I'll plug it up to the wall, I'll put it on off, and then I'll put it on auto, and then it will turn on at the time that you programmed it to turn on. So I hope that this helped whoever needs to learn how to use one of these. It's fairly simple, and depending on the reviews I get, or if it helped out people, this is my first time doing this, so not expecting much, but if it helps, then I guess I will do more videos in relation to other equipment, and so forth, in relation to growing. All right, well, thank you, and I hope this video was helpful.